to show you. This is actually one of the first ones that we fell in love with when we started thinking about doing this. So this is the Sandpiper. It's the 4002 FB, which means it's got 2 bedrooms. Again, we need that.
And it's a 2025.
Yes, this is their newest version of it. And I kind of like a couple little features that they've changed. So, obviously you walk into your kitchen and living room area. Typical setup. But love this table.
Oh my
Look at
God.
this neat accent table. It's got the texture to it.
Texture, absolutely.
You got your wireless charging. That's awesome. You got your reclining theater seats. Again, across from your entertainment. This is my favorite.
With your hidden pantry, and she has such a hard time. Do you need assistance, my love?
Is that how, oh, no, it was
There
open.
we
It was
go.
already open.
Okay.
But it actually feels like it jacks open.
It does. It has the
assist.
piston. Oh, up top, sweetheart. Up there,
yep.
there's a piston.
Okay. But look at this storage. Oh my gosh. You could put your little
Brooms. That's
vacuum
broom.
and
Vacuum,
broom
yeah.
in there. Heck yeah.
Yep.
Lots of storage. That's key for me. Of course, fireplace, your
Got a
typical
Cutting board.
board. Can't beat that.
Mm.
Again, soft close storage, which is
Love it.
love.
Your typical 3-burner stove, of course. I don't know. Maybe a baby turkey.
Yeah, a little 15-pounder.
Yeah, a little 15-pounder.
But again, your typical storage.
Yep, stainless steel
Stainless
sink.
steel. This is an Everchill fridge, so I like that. It's
Never
a
heard
little
of it. I don't know if you
slimmer.
can tell, but it's got like smart control, so it must be all
Yeah.
touch.
And again, guess what? Another pantry.
Yes.
More and more storage. And this, oh my gosh, babe, it goes all the way up.
Does it? Oh, peekaboo up there, if you can see it.
All the way
Yeah.
up.
Okay.
That's cool.
More storage there.
Storage and kind of a little mini desk.
Or-
So we would use it as a coffee bar because, you know, coffee freaks.
Yes.
Real nice. Up top, oh, more storage here.
Oh yeah, we didn't even see that storage actually.
Goodness gracious.
Okay. Fair enough.
You can't beat it.
No.
Up top, another massive loft. Yes.
I can't
Can't even get around.
It goes around.
Look at there's storage cabinets on that other wall too.
Yep,
I didn't even
everybody's-
get up there and climb.
And right there, too.
Yeah. So even more storage, and then down into your second bedroom. Queen bed.
Queen bed.
It's perfect. You got little stands up on the top.
Yep, with
You have
your
your outlets underneath.
USB plug in.
Yep. Little curtains. You got your light switches.
I like. On both sides, you have those.
Yep. Under the bed
USB.
storage, the usual. And of course, nice big storage cabinets.
Absolutely, both sides.
Both sides. That's awesome.
And then you've got your
I love this
TV or
again.
desk, if you truly want it, with the nice insert underneath.
Plenty of room. And then back into your second bathroom.
Of course.
Lots of storage underneath the sink
Yet
again.
again.
Whole nother medicine cabinet.
Mm-hmm.
Can't beat it. And your
then-
big old shower. And kind of a tub. So if you've got little ones or
actually,
you need
yeah.
a dog to wash off,
Yeah.
you're right there. It's
Yeah, that
plugs.
is actually pretty deep. That's well over a foot deep.
Yeah,
Maybe.
it's got the tub sink filler and everything. So
check
it
that
is-
out.
It is designed to be a tub.
Do you want to close that door now, beautiful?
Yes. Although that
The breeze,
was
yes.
nice.
It was very nice. Okay. Where to next?
Up top.
Okay.
So head up into the master bedroom. This one is built with the queen, but it does look like you have enough room that you
You think-
probably could upgrade to the king.
You could squeeze it in there.
Yeah.
Again, same shelving with your USB and plug-ins over there in the
USB.
corners.
You got your lights,
Got a
switches
nice
up
little
top.
shelf right there if need be.
Mhm.
Thermostat control.
Yep, so you control your AC in here. And you have your front closet.
Washer dryer set up
washer dryer
there.
prep,
And
And it
then,
goes all the way back.
yeah, it's going to be too tight,
Too
tough
dark.
to see.
There we
That
go.
way, but then boom. And you've got your data link hookup there.
So,
Typical
and then
your normal drawer, dresser, and then the bathroom, which I absolutely love. The tub shower.
Yeah, so this is nice because I got plenty of room. I'm 5'6", lots of room.
Lots of room, nice skylight, plenty of light in there.
Yep.
Got a turbo fan.
And then your toilet's off to the side, so
got a little room. Yeah.
So, and the nice vanity. This does not have a medicine cabinet up top.
Nope.
But with the cabinet behind you, you got plenty of room, and then you have the built-in storage on there.
What about underneath, beautiful?
Underneath, you got a couple little shelves down there.
Yeah, there's still some room.
Lots of room. Really is.
Yeah, and what is, oh, you got your little road vac there, too.
Oh, that's lovely. So you can hook up and vacuum right away.
That is pretty much
That is it. So, thanks for watching again.
Absolutely. Please like, subscribe, and share.
Yep.
Keeps us going.